Secretarial. I've been doing it for 4 years now. Oh, really? You must be about to graduate. Well, not exactly. I've had to repeat a bit. I haven't got the hang of preliminary shorthand yet. It all just looks like scribbles to me.
Yeah, who needs shorthand anyway? I know what kind of secretary I'd rather have sitting on my knee.
Oh, dinner at last. That smells wonderful, Charlie. We'll have a taste. Oh, Italian. Don't you like it? I'm on a diet. Grapefruit and salad. Well, surely a little bit won't do you any harm. It's my first day. I can't bake it already.
You don't need to die.
I've got to keep an eye on my figure.
Don't worry, Henry can do that for you.